Meghalaya Home Guards Recruitment 2026 apply online poll 558 guardsmen post jirangan Home Guard training certificate rang dongachum ba training machote dongiachum nasimang ia 558 bar chabunga sotbunga chet guardsmen post rang donga apply kanagata mangen bulsi chetuni bulsi sotbunga ona khengkheng raingane basakoni apply kana ninga basako last date maidake apply ka again maidakba eligibility yarangni details ko ansung daun yanggen nasimang jirangan apply kana skinga nammi video ko nimungna masirang nakta joton kabu unodi nasung apply ka anio ningnik jawa daudeng anasuna kamachigo joljol miswanggen ya kode phorayang jagnok yarang kuba phoray jagnok Meghalaya Boldal Wing Home Guards Enrollment 2026 overview ya kamachigo niangon ansung details ko masirang nakta mangen yanoni nammi nirang nakta joton kabu total post ko nasung nakatna maninga rchabunga sutbunga chet part time guardsmen and equivalent ranks yan part time ongenne khamde deployment tenulara the initial deployment period is strictly 1 year which may be extended based on performance mungchana ba ko nakta manenga yan khamora khiani period te 1 year ni san ongaigene ndiba nasuni performance to pangchakimuna extend khadabani chance rangba tongaya the engagement is purely voluntary and temporary without any claim for regular resistance or permanent retention ni jana ba ko nakta manenga yan temporary ongaigen네 temporary onggen chunguba da siogan bagata nasuni performance ko nigirke ba nasuni kam ko nigirke extend rang ko ba khata baigen dege manna apal age limit de candidate must not exceed 50 years of age as of September 1 2026 ni jana ba ko nakta manninga nasimang jirangan bulsi sotbunga kapkuja September sa hajalgni khulgruk tokona apply khanakta mangenne uchi khomi gpa ba minimumara bulsi chichetoni abachingi munna Posting location. Selected volunteers will be posted to serve anywhere in the remote Boldal areas of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo Hills bouldering Bangladesh ne jana bakho nakta maninga. Yan nasung iano select ako mangen chungangode angade Garo Hills ni ndakba byabsa khagen ne khangna kata manjamu antangchang. Jioba bisong posting khatken Khasi, Jaintia, Garo Hills ni Bangladesh boldal rango donatken. Degemna interview center. Personal interviews will take place at Tura and Shillong Central ninga. Yan interview na biap rangkode Tura aru Shillong rangko don swingane Garo Hills ni mandirang ba Tura ona sepang bat keparang de Tura chiriangi ba interview rangko nakta mangen no separate call letters will be sent ninga dingtang mancha call letter rangko send ka chawba wata chawa so candidates must check the departmental notice boards all official website for interview schedule ni jana ba ko nakna manenga na simang jirangan apply ka achim na simang ko select kama kajama interview na uko masinak tade nasong departmental ini notice board on keparang ko ba check ani nakta mangen ba official website sina visit kaiba nasong check ana mangen ne the reservation policy the state reservation policy roster is not applicable for this enrollment process as it is purely voluntary ninga yanade anchini state reservation policy pangchak janne nasong jeba apply kanakta manaigen jian nambatta ukon raigen bisong demo last date to apply September 28 2026 September khulgruk chetto last date ongenne apply khanagata mataude eligibility aro required documents rangko niang skabu applicant must submit their applications using the prescribed standard form along with self-attested copies of all necessary credentials ensure the following documents are attached ninga yano jana pinga mai takaba documents rangko nangen skang badiyan anching standard form kode nangtelgen mo 2 recent passport size photographs passport size photograph ko anching khangni nangen yan apply khagen chungangode one pasted on the standard form ninga khangsa kode standard form mo attach kanakta nangen tapkapna nangen khangsa kode anching extra natna nangen mo educational qualification certificate na sungni foraini gadani certificate rangko marksheet rangko nangen degimna birth certificate all age certificate as per school records ningamo na suni birth certificate or age certificate yan as per school records ningamo schoolo jebul sikon nasung onachum wa absan exek nakta nangen ne birth certificate ko onjagen chungoba uchi khathani khatha class 10 ni admit khatrangode anchuni bulsirangko janap chapadunga bamo ubarangba choligen age proof na de ba bulsiko proof khanakta de epic card matabrang den de gibas ngatinga epic ngapara maya ninga ya epic de electoral photo identity card ngapane anchini voter id ndene akanude masigmo voter id card ko nangen tegemanna home guards basic training certificate ninga nasong home guard basic training certificate tongkaparang sa yana apply kanagata eligible ongenne nikode yano medical fitness certificate from an authorized nim jana ba khunuk na maninga government medical practitioner institution jana ba khunuk na maninga medical certificate khonangen medical certificate form kuba anching download khana manaya mu Google rangon dungaya ba website rangon dungaya uko anching print out khai mangna medical certificate ko maibana nanggen silsue sign khai mangna rangna nanggen jiko gan ngechode doctor rang chinari angi mangna anching sign rana nanggen mo medical certificate to nigeman nasimang iyarangko giskrae ba namme iyarangko maibabu submit khana joton khabo jirangan apply khainga nasimang maidake apply khagen wanigman daode nyas khabune. How to apply step by step. Obtain the standard form. Download or collect the prescribed standard application form. Nasung skangba application form ko download khai mangna print out khachingna nanggen uno kapatna nangrang ko kapachingi mangna nasungni je nanggaba documents rang ko jana pachim education qualification daguta basic training certificate wan dak barang ko jana pachim barang ko attach khachapna nanggen aro election ID card yarang ko xerox khai mangna self attested khai nasung standard form o attach khai mang ba chappe mangna nasung submit kanakta nanggen maidaki khagen kuba masiang nakta mangen video ko boni nigen chode masiai gen ne matam rangara maidaki khagen maidaki ongen irang singi roinga video ko namini chaimana nimne daude gtham go jana pinga ongja gni gba khongon tisam mebat kuna fill in details carefully fill in your personal and educational details in the application form ninga mo standard form ko kapatna nang barang ko jana pinga ne attach documents enclose self-attested copies of your educational qualification birth age certificate Meghalaya epic card home guards basic training certificate and medical fitness certificate ninga mo yan nasungni qualification certificate ba mark sheet age proof birth certificate ongjade class 10 admit card yarang cholligan aro epic ba voter ID card demana home guard basic training certificate aro medical certificate ne yarang ko nanggen yan nanggapa documents rangde bangjamo aruba simple ongana so home guard certificate donggen chungangode medical certificate rangkode alturiri manaigen nasung antangtang maidake baniko mangen ne chanching na baganang ba chanching angode nasung direct maibarangona hospital rangona riangbo private doctor niko rana bene sign ko raingon government doctor niko sar abo sign raingon ba nasuni medical certificate to sign raingon ba silsuna riangingon demna epics photos Phase 1 recent passport size photograph on the designated spot on the form and attach another copy with the documents ninga nasung passport size kisa khode nasuni standard form o attach khana nanggen kisa khode nasung extra nasuni document no thik chape onatna nanggen ne temna submit application hand deliver all post your completed application to your respective district home guards office ninga nasung antangthangba home guard office rangona riange ba official commanding district training center district ki antion maiba training center rang dongaya ba mu warangona riange ba nasung submit khai nakta mangen standard form baksa nasuni je nanggaba document rang ko attach khai thariachim wa ko submit khai na mangen ba nasung indo jana panik dade all post your completed application to your maiba ninga respective district home guards office ninga nasung post office rang daba post card nakta mangen ba watat nakta ba mangen ino jana banik dade dibai nude office rang ko nasung nakta maninga official commanding district training center all civil defense office from where you are currently deployed with requisitioning agencies ne jana ba ko nakta maninga nasung online miste nasung antangtang riang iba submit khaina mangen ba nasung riang na mandekin chungangode by post ba nasung post office rangta sen khatna ba watatnak tamangen mo nasung badiona watatken wa office ko nami mention khaimna watataibu demna submission deadline day and ensure your application reach the designated office on all before September 28 2026 let all incomplete applications will be rejected immediately ninga yan September ni kholgruk chetna skang ba September kholgruk chetona nasung submit khainak tamangen mo nasung dauni antangtang riangna ningnukinga angode dauni nasung ready ong imna post rang khat buba post office rang ta watatna joton khabo anching chi September ni kholgruk chetrang watkut kata yang angode sukang sabchawa hamu node anching riange office tona riange mena submit khajas khalde nikude yachi maiko jana panena key information and links na song standard application form ko ya download hial ngaba nakinga unoste beba download khanakta mangen official advertisement ko ninas kode unoste beba ninakta mangen official website bijis kanas kode unoste beba bijis kana mangen na song nanga description box to link ko natinga na song direct visit kai muna standard application form ko na song ya download hial ngboste be download khai raching bo nikude cyber rang print out khaimana nasung kapat na nangarangko kapatte je attach khanangba documents rangko khaimana sepangbatgipa home guard office bat agota district ni training center rang donga uarona riangi nasung submit khaina gita mangen jerangan qualification rang chunga chum jerangko anga yano misok baha nasung yarang dongin chungangode apply khana jutun khabu.